Administered through the Center for Business and Community Services, CBCS, our industry, business, and agency programs offer a wide array of opportunities. CBCS has been helping productivity become a natural resource on the Virginia Peninsula since the early 1970s. We can help with education and training, business support, and technical assistance. Services include assessment, on- and off-site training, customized programs, and professional seminars. Providing quality instruction and affordability, these services are tailored to the individual business needs as determined in the assessment process. Programs developed cover communication, technological and hands-on training, team building, and conflict resolution. As the needs change, programs are continuously reviewed and updated. This enables area businesses to remain on the cutting edge. Focus is placed on interpersonal skills, education, quality control, and technology. Taking a look at where it all began is Lou Dunn at Ball Metal Container.
It all started back in 1972 when the plant first was constructed here. We looked for someone to help us with employees, a brand new process here, and we turned to TNCC and CBCS.
One of the very successful programs offered is the Virginia Peninsula Total Quality Institute, or VPTQI. Dedicated to the highest quality standards in today's market, we believe that quality is not an option for today's business. Success in the 90s demands it. VPTQI is a community-based resource designed to assist companies in learning about and adopting the principles of total quality management. To compete in the ever-changing, fast-paced business environment today requires the highest total quality standards. One of the companies utilizing the skills of CBCS is Gateway 2000. New on the peninsula, Gateway instantly has the availability of a valuable resource to assist in pre-employment screening, hiring, the development of team skills, and effective communication. Not only the business benefits from this partnership, but the employees as well. From the very beginning, Gateway has tapped into the pulse of the peninsula.
And with their help, we developed a wonderful training program that's helped found our plant mechanically and both with management skills from that date on.
The Office of Continuing Education and Community Services maintains close ties with the many peninsula business, public services, and civic organizations. Highly qualified business professionals and technical experts bring knowledge and experience to every program. Once the education specialist identifies your company's needs, they will custom design a course or seminar to meet those needs. As one staff member said, if a course or program does not exist to meet these needs, one will be designed. In addition to customized programs, we offer short-term and long-term employee development programs, offering the latest and effective management techniques, organizational procedures, and technological advancements.
Our relationship with Thomas Nelson allows us to leverage all the relationships Thomas Nelson has with other economic development entities where you can find vocational assistance, technology transfer assistance such as with the Center for Innovative Technology, locational assistance with the Departments of Economic Development, training assistance, which is what Thomas Nelson really does at its core. When we need courses developed or things like that to benefit small groups of business owners, we need to expose them to concepts such as total quality management. Those resources are housed within the academic community of Thomas Nelson Community College, so that kind of leverage really allows us to deliver significant services at a much lower cost than the small business owner would probably otherwise experience.
Enabling both the employees and the companies to determine if they are a match ultimately reduces the labor turnover. By offering educational programs, the company strengthens its knowledge base. As many employees receive the benefits, they are motivated to learn more and invest more of themselves. With the flexible hours of these courses, they are able to work around their schedule and towards a degree. Employees who may already have degrees find that much of what they know has been underutilized and a provider with the opportunity to update and strengthen these skills. Thomas Nelson Community College offers fully accredited college courses, either on-site or off-site. We can arrange to have your customized training program or credit course taught on-site during hours that are convenient to you. Included in the full range of services provided through CBCS is one-on-one guidance to help you identify appropriate technologies that can solve problems or add to your product mix. The bottom line for your organization is increased profits. This service is a joint effort of Thomas Nelson Community College and the Peninsula Advanced Technology Center through arrangements with the Center for Innovative Technology. Over the past 25 years, TNCC, together with the Center for Business and Community Services, has worked as partners with small and large companies, state and local agencies, area cities, hospitals, and military installations. This is only a sampling of the organizations that have turned this partnership into one of their most valuable assets.
Feel here at Williamsburg plant that our association with TNCC and CBCS has developed into a wonderful partnership. We see a lot of fine results from our partnership, and I highly recommend TNCC and CBCS to anyone.
These services and classes are offered at a very affordable and reasonable cost. Offering advice and assistance to area businesses allows Thomas Nelson and CBCS to remain a valuable resource to their Peninsula community. If you would like to schedule an appointment to plan for your organization's move into the 21st century, or for more information, please contact us at the following.